Hi everyone, today I tell you why our factory is your best choice. This is a very nice model here. You can see this can be two sides open. Just here has another handle we do not install here. You can see this has the starlights on the roof and under the roof. It's very nice and also can change different colors. You can see here has many different colors for the LED light. You can change different colors. For different color has different functions. The red one can be bad for your skin, and the green one, the blue one. And you can see we have different heaters over here. Have the carbon heater and also the full spectral heaters. Is on the backwards. You can enjoy your sauna room in your home very easily. 这个咋变不了色儿？是不行吗？这我不会用吗？这颜色不行吗？